Riding in itself is really, really a cathartic experience. It's that man-machine symbiosis that you get, where you're really at one with your machine and you feel it. I'm Phil White, one of the co-founders of Cervelo. Cervelo is the performance bike company that makes the best bikes in the world. I mean, you had two engineers that started out of the garage, essentially, and we said, you know, if we obsess about this and we make a better bike, it was our vision that people would come to our door. Like, if you build it, they will come. It's a pretty intense company. We were pretty intense guys, and we set really high standards for ourselves. You know, a bike is relatively simple. At the same time, then you get into the details of it, and it's much more complex than you ever anticipate.
Phil is intense about pushing the limit within our design. So we work very passionately with Phil as our guide to achieve that.
Our focus on this functional design and this obsession on engineering does result in some big gains. You know, we're still seeing it on the aero side. Sticking things in the wind tunnel and putting a model in there, it's those things you obsess over after everything looks like it's done, but you're taking hours and hours and hours to look like it just magically appeared. I've definitely had the greatest job in the world. Where else do you have a chance to sit down with some guys that share your same vision, put it on paper, actually make it with your own hands, and go ride on it? Man, it's a fantastic feeling. It takes some vision to say, we're going to take the market this way and everyone else is going that way, because we believe that this is the right direction. You don't sit in the middle and expect to pull everyone. You got to be on the edge, pulling on everyone to bring them forward. When we focus obsessively on the function of the bike, the form just emerges on its own. The first time they get on a Cervelo, the first couple of pedal strokes, they can feel a difference. You know, we're selling a bike, but we're selling an experience, and we're selling a belief on a different way of doing things. At the end of the day, I make my own toys. That's a pretty sweet arrangement.